Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
Wagwan, Wagwan, YouTube family. Welcome to Briscoe's Kitchen. And this YouTube channel, I'm gonna teach you how to cook traditional Jamaican food. Yeah, man, real traditional Jamaican food. I'm gonna teach you how to cook a lot of healthy food. Cause that's the journey we going now to healthy eating. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make curry fish. I have one red snapper here. I already scale and wash it. You could see. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to season the fish. As you could see, I go ahead and slice the fish. Both sides. Give it a slice so the season could go inside. Over here, I have some onion powder, some garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, and some Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice fish season. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix in all four together. Now we're gonna season the fish. Wanna make sure the season go inside. Inside the slice. So after seasoning the fish finish, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead now, wash my hand and start the cooking process. Now I'm going to start the cooking process. To my pan, I'm gonna add some corn oil. Like 1/3 cup of corn oil. Now my oil is already hot. I'm gonna add some chopped onion to the pot. Now I'm going to add some chopped garlic. So I'm using the Blue Mountain curry and I'm gonna burn the curry in the oil. I'm gonna add the curry to the oil. 1.5 tablespoons of curry. Now I'm going to add my carrots. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of Grace coconut milk. Now I'm going to add some fresh thyme, some pimento berries, 1/2 teaspoon of Lorry seasoned salt, now I'm going to add some dry parsley. Now I'm going to add the fish. And this fish should take 15 minutes to cook. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rest this pot cover over it for 10 minutes. Now in 8 minutes my fish is almost to cook. Now I'm gonna add some bell pepper. I'm gonna add some red onions. Now I'm going to add my okra, my scallions, now I'm gonna add some water crackers. I'm gonna cover my pot for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes my fish is supposed to cook. Now my curry fish already cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. This is the finishing touch of my curry fish. Rich and tasty. So please remember to give this video a like and a thumbs up. Respect.